Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video where I will show you exciting new method for getting free followers on TikTok. With this method, you'll be able to get as many followers as you want. Just take a look at my notifications. New follows are pouring in every second. It's truly incredible, and what makes it even more remarkable is that these are all real accounts, not some bots. So if you want to boost your TikTok account without spending anything, follow the tutorial. First and foremost, make sure that your TikTok profile is set to public. This is crucial in order to get the followers. Adjusting your profile's privacy settings to public is as easy as can be. Just go to privacy settings and make sure that your profile is not private. Now that's all that you need to change. Let's get to the next step. Grab your phone and open up your internet browser. Now go to the website called tickfamed.com. Once you've arrived at this site, enter your TikTok username. Take a moment to check that you've typed it correctly, and when you're ready, click on the Continue button. This will establish the necessary connection between the website and your account. Now here comes the exciting part. Select the number of followers you wish to add. To give you an example, I'm going to choose 1,000 followers. As soon as you've chosen the amount of followers, the process will start. However, there might be an additional step along the way, a bot check. Not to worry though, as it's a simple process that involves completing a couple of tasks or following instructions provided on the website. Just follow the steps carefully, and you'll be well on your way to get those followers. Once you've successfully completed everything, just wait for around 10 minutes, and the followers will be added to your account. I will do those steps right now and come back to you when I'm done. Alright, I am back. It only took around 10 minutes, and as you can see, I am already getting the followers. Currently, my follower count stands at almost 5K, and it keeps coming thanks to this incredible method. It's truly amazing. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you find any issues along the way, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to assist you and troubleshoot any problems you may face. And remember, if you enjoyed this content, be sure to show your support by leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and see you soon.